I'm making candied jalapenos, okay? In the West, it's called Cowboy Candy. I had never heard of this before. I think the only time I heard of it was when we were out in Colorado. It is so good, and it's really easy to make. It's 2 cups of regular white sugar, put it in a big pot, 2/3 of apple cider vinegar I'm gonna pop in. And then this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of celery seed. Okay, and you're gonna put that all in there. I'm gonna stir this up on the stove. I put it like medium high, not too high. I'm just gonna stir this up. When it comes to a boil and then the sugar is all melted, you're gonna wait, cook it for 5 minutes, and then you'll add the jalapenos in. Probably thinking, why would I want jalapeno? Candied jalapenos. You can put them on burgers, any kind of burger, veggie burger, turkey burger, anything. You can also put it on eggs and make a wrap. That's really good. I suppose you could put it even on salad. I like it on some soups and stuff like that is really good. After you put your jalapenos in, you're gonna bring it up to a boil and then have it cook for 5 minutes, like simmer for 5 minutes. So I'm just taking the jalapenos and I'm popping them into the mason jars here. You're gonna leave like some room at the top because you're gonna put the liquid in. I'm just gonna pour this last pot in there. There. But pretty much they just wanted to have syrup to cover the top of it. And then you can pop them right in here and pop the cover on. And these are pretty hot, so I'm gonna let them cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. You wait like 2 to 3 days and then you can eat them and they last like 2 to 3 months. So they be a long time.